Meet Emily, who has dedicated time to build their online brand. But what happens when your online store isn't getting the attention it deserves? Enter Algorithm Digital Marketing, your solution to increase online exposure and attract more customers. We specialize in pay-per-click ads, targeting your ideal customers and driving traffic to your store. Just like major nut distributor and auto parts e-commerce company, who experienced remarkable growth with our services. Imagine having a constant flow of targeted visitors eager to buy from your store. Join countless satisfied clients who took action and chose Algorithm Digital Marketing. Call Algorithm Digital Marketing today and start seeing results. Now is the best time to invest in your business growth. With 2024 around the corner, set the stage for a prosperous year with Algorithm Digital Marketing. Don't miss out. Visit algorithm-digital.com and take the first step toward growing your business in 2024. Algorithm Digital Marketing, your partner in e-commerce success. Call us today.